Dear students, welcome back. I am here with one more problem on installment purchase system. So today I'm starting with illustration number 5 on installment purchase system. The Mysore Transport Company purchased a motor car from Mandya Motors Company on a deferred payment system. So what is this deferred payment system, you are wondering, right? Deferred payment is nothing but installment payment system. Okay, deferred payment is nothing but installment payment system. So deferred payment and installment payment both are same. Okay, so deferred payment system on 1/1/2015, paying rupees 60,000 on the agreement day. So 60,000 on agreement day means what? So first down payment is rupees 60,000 on the agreement day and agreed to pay the remaining amount in 3 annual installment of rupees 60,000 each. So the rest left out amount or the pending amount will be paid with the 3 annual installment of rupees 60,000 of each installment. So with interest at 5% per annum. So with interest 5% per annum, prepare the Mandya Motors account and interest suspense account. So he has asked us to prepare Mandya Motors account and interest suspense account. Okay, so that's all. So here you have to understand that in this problem he has not given any kind of adjustment which is related to depreciation. So you should be very clear. So there is no any point about depreciation is not given in the problem, in the given problem. Okay, so we are directly solving. So working note, that is calculation of cash price of the van. So we have to calculate the cash price of the van. So you know that the reverse order. So the date of purchase is 1/1/2015. So 15 is the first year, 16 is the second year, and 17 will be third year. So we always calculate in calculate in opposite version or direction. So 1/1/2015. So that is the last installment, 31/12/2017 is going to be the third year installment, last installment. So he said 60,000 rupees on agreement and 3 annual installment of rupees 60,000. That means every end of the year is 60,000. So you all know that when interest is included in the installment money, so the calculating the percentage or the interest with the formula. So what is that formula? Percentage divided by 100 plus percentage, correct? So here interest rate of interest is 5%. So the formula goes 5 divided by 105. Okay, let us start the working note. Year 31/12/2017, installment in rupees 60,000. Interest calculation 60,000 into 5 divided by 105. So interest comes to 2,857 rupees. So net installment excluding interest comes to 60,000 minus 2,857 is 57,143. So 57,143 is the net installment money paid at the end of third year. So now let us calculate for the second year, 31/12/2016. 60,000 present year installment plus previous year net installment money, that is 57,143. So put together 1,17,143. 1,17,143 into 5 divided by 105. So the interest comes to 5,578 rupees. 5,578 rupees is the interest. So net installment money excluding interest is 1,17,143 minus 5,578. 5,578. So when you deduct the interest, so we are going to get net installment excluding interest is 1,11,565. 1,11,565. So third year 31st 12 2015. So 60,000 plus 1,11,565. So that comes to 1,71,565. So total 1,71,565 rupees into 5 divided by 105. So that comes to 8,170. So interest calculation 8,170. So net installment excluding interest will be 1,71,565 minus 8,170. So the net installment excluding interest in the first year is 1,63,395. How much? 1,63,395 rupees. So let us calculate the cash price. Cash price equals first year net installment excluding interest plus down payment made. So first year net installment money is 1,63,395 plus down payment was 60,000 rupees. So 1,63,395 plus 60,000 equals 2,23,395 rupees. So interest suspense account equals all the years of interest calculation, you write it down, that is 2857, 2,857 plus 5,578 plus 8,170. So the total of the same is 16,605 rupees. That is the interest suspense account. So we are done with the working note. That is, we have identified the cash price of the motor car and at the same time interest to be payable, that is interest suspense account. So let us open a Mysore Transport Company account. So let us open Mysore Transport Company account. So open the table, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So on, we always start this from debit side. On 1/1/2015 to sales account, it is nothing but cash price of the motor van. So 2,23,395. Cash price of the motor purchase 2,23,395 rupees. So at the same time 31st 12 2015 to interest suspense account. So 3 years, what is the interest? 16,605 rupees. So go to the credit side. 1/1/2015 by bank account down payment 60,000, by bank account first installment 60,000. So 31st 12 2015, that is by bank account first installment 60,000 and 31st 12 2015 by balance carried down 1,20,000. So when you total it, so you are going to get 2,40,2,40 both the side. So next year, that is 31st 12 2016. So we are supposed to brought it down, that is 1/1/2016. To balance brought down 1,20,000 rupees debit side and 31st 12 2016 by bank account 60,000 rupees credit side, by balance carried down 60,000 rupees credit side. So next we do have 1/1/2017 to balance brought down 60,000 rupees and 31st 12 2017 by bank account 60,000 rupees. So there is no any amount left out to transfer further to brought down or carried down. So we are done with the Mysore Transport Company account. So now it is time to write or start the interest suspense account. Clear? So open interest suspense account with the 6th column again. So interest suspense account, date particulars rupees, date particulars rupees. So in interest suspense account, we always start the problem from the credit side. So 1/1/2015 by Mysore Transport account, that is 16,605 rupees. So which we have denoted in the interest suspense account, or the total of all the 3 years of interest which is we have calculated in the table. Okay. So now 31st 12 2015 first year to interest account 8,170, to balance carried down. So that is 16,605 minus 8,170. So balance carried down, you are going to get 8,435. So when you total it, you are going to get 16,605, 16,605. So next is 1/1/2016 by balance brought down 8,435 rupees. 31st 12 2016, to interest account 5578, to balance carried down, that is 8435, minus, that is 5578 interest account. So the difference is, balance carried down is 2857. So 1/1/2017 by balance brought down 2857, 31st 12 2017 to balance brought down, so that is interest account, so 2857. So we are done with interest suspense account, so which is very easy, very simple to solve the problem. So you can do it by yourself very easily. So try by yourself at home once. So we will stop here. We'll come back soon with one more problem. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.